Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very different video that I'm used to filming and it's going to be all the party supplies I have picked up for Layla's 5th birthday party. So if you're a party thrower, if you have children, this is definitely a must watch because a lot of this was done on a budget, the pound shop, home bargains, and then I got a few luxurious things from Party Pieces as well, which I'm really excited about because I haven't shopped at Party Pieces before and I have some really gorgeous things. So yeah, it's Layla's birthday on Friday the 12th of January, so by the time this goes live it will have just been her birthday. So I'll put some footage in so you guys can see some of the stuff in action. I will also show you in action as we talk because hopefully some of this stuff will have been used by the time this video goes live. So I'm going to start off with probably the most exciting piece I need to get out of my line of vision because I keep staring at him, and it's this gorgeous piñata. So we have not had a piñata before, so this is definitely the first time for us. I'm really excited about it. My parents have had one for family parties and that kind of thing, but we've never had one and I'm excited. The kids are going to be so thrilled with this, and she asked for one, so I figured I'd get her one. And this is just one from Tesco. It was about £8. You can spend stupid money on these, but you really don't need to. This is really bright, really colourful and affordable, but obviously it's not filled. So there's a little hole here and you use that to fill up with really colourful sweets and little trinkets and toys and that kind of thing. And then they use this very colourful beater to give it a little tap, and then the sweets, and that will fall out. And there's a little blindfold in there as well. This was also from Tesco. This was £2, so £10 for both, which I think is an absolute steal. So we have those, so very excited indeed. I'll try and link everything that I discussed down below. Okay, so I'm going to move on to Home Bargains now, and honestly guys, there is so much good stuff in Home Bargains. It's such a fantastic discount store. I'm sure you guys shop there already, but the first thing I have is this fantastic cake mould, and as you can see this is in the shape of a castle. I will be baking Layla's cake this year, so I'm going to be using this, and also I'm going to do her a tier of cupcakes as well with like unicorn and star sparkles. I'm so excited, I love baking. So yeah, I'm really excited to have found this because I was having a look at this on eBay and they were like £15, and I actually got this for £1 from Home Bargains. So if you're looking for a cake mould or a jelly mould in a castle shape, check out your local Home Bargains. They have them for £1. It's amazing. So yeah, I have that, which I'm so excited about. Speaking of cupcakes, from Home Bargains I also picked up this pink Little Princesses 3-tier cupcake stand, which I think will be perfect to sit her cupcakes on top of. They had a whole range like this as well, so they had the matching plates, matching cups, the matching everything. Like they had a full range of this stuff and it was all really affordable. This was like £1. And if it is a little bit more, it may have been like £1.50, but it won't have been any more than that. It was really affordable, really cheap. Then I got these for 60p, and it's these gorgeous Little Princess 8 party treat cups, and I thought that these would be fantastic for jelly and ice cream because I'm going to be doing some ice cream with some sprinkles and some jelly, so these would be perfect for that. And they're just really cute designs. I will show you everything up close, of course. So these are kind of like paper fans, and then you just hang them from the ceiling and they just sort of dangle down and they look really pretty. And I also got this happy birthday bunting. This was from the Pound Shop Extra, not Home Bargains. I don't know why it's in this bag, but this was £1, and it's just basically a pink bunting that says happy birthday with silver lettering, so I picked that up. Then I got these really cool popcorn bags. These just like kind of 1950s popcorn bags with the white and red stripes. They're just really cool, and I thought for the popcorn they would look really nice stood on the table by the sweets. And again, it's all about the aesthetics when it comes to parties and that kind of thing. Then from the same Little Princess range I got these really cute paper bowls, or paper plates rather, and these are just perfect for putting snacks and treats on and crisps and that kind of thing. And again, they go all in with that theme, which is really pretty. I also have the Little Princess straws. These are just paper straws with a white and pink stripe going through them, and they just look really nice. And again, these were like 50p, they weren't even £1. They were really affordable, so I was really happy to get them. Then I got some, oh these are really good actually, some cake toppers. So because I'm baking Layla's cake myself, I thought these would be really cool to decorate it with, and it's just little cardboard cutouts that you kind of stick inside the sponge and they help to decorate it. I don't know if I'll use these, but I thought I'll grab them because I'll find something for them, whether I put them in cupcakes or whether I just dot them about the table, or I may even use them for the cake, I'm not too sure, or maybe around the cake and do a little display, but I just thought they were really cute, and again, for £1, could not leave them there. And then I have this really nice disposable tablecloth. Again, this just goes in with that little princess theme, so everything will match, and that's just really, really pretty. Then I have some baking things, which I'm really excited about, and these are such good quality, and they were so cheap from Home Bargains. The first thing I have is 24 double ruffle cupcake cases. These are beautiful. They look so expensive. I've seen similar ones to these that are like £3 and £4 each, so I was stoked to get those for £1 from Home Bargains, along with some traditional muffin cup cases. Now these are actually cardboard cases. I'm so excited. So yeah, really nice. Home Bargains honestly has the best baking selection. It's so good. And then I got this, which actually in hindsight I don't need anymore because I actually bought myself a full kit, which I'll show you in a minute. But this is the 5-piece decorating icing kit. So this comes with 5 icing nozzles and a piping bag, which is really convenient and a fantastic price. The only thing is it only comes with 1 bag, so if you're using one colour of buttercream, that's absolutely fine, but obviously, like myself, if you're using a few different colours, you need more than 1 bag. Otherwise you're having to wash it out, refill it, wash it out, refill it. So I did get this for £1, which I think is really affordable. However, when I thought about it, I picked up something different, which I'll show you in a minute. But really happy to have this, and if you're looking for something similar, or like I said, if you're having one shade of buttercream, this is ideal because it comes with all the different attachments, and it's really good at a fantastic price. Then I have my Pound Shop goodies, and this is mainly for prizes and other little bits and bobs of decoration. So I have a packet of party tooters or party blowers. This is just a multicoloured pack. And then I got some prizes for the Pass the Parcel games. So we only have 8 to 10 children coming. It's a very small party of just family, because she's not at that point at school yet where she has friends that she wants to invite, because she's only going to be 5, so she's only really inviting our family and, you know, close family friends. So each child has a prize that they're going to win, because each child is going to win 1 round of the Pass the Parcel. So I've actually bought these with specific children in mind of what I know they will like. I have this 4-piece cupcake set, which I thought would be a really nice little fun prize. A little pack of Play-Doh, and again all these were £1. This little shopping basket that comes with some little cartons, because my niece Noelle loves to put things into baskets and take them out, put things into boxes, take them out. That's like her whole fun. Every time she comes, she just loves tidying up. She's perfect. She can come anytime. So I got that for her to win. Then I got this necklace jewellery costume set, which I thought would be really cool for one of the girls to win. Then we have some plasticine for one of the boys, a little etch-a-sketch type thing, which I thought would be really fun for them to play with and win. A truck for my nephew Issa, because he is basically cars and trucks and anything vehicle obsessed. Then I have a soft toy as a prize, and I think that's all the prizes. So getting on to other things, I have some cocktail sticks. Now I'm going to stick marshmallows in these and try and make a hedgehog out of foil, so wish me luck. But yeah, if you're looking for cocktail sticks, the Pound Shop have them, along with beautiful ice cream scoops. The colour of this is like a mint colour. It's absolutely stunning, so I picked that up, and again that was £1, so really happy to have that, because I think this would be perfect for not only the ice cream but also measuring out the cupcakes so that they're all the same size, so that's great. The last thing I got from the Pound Shop is of course some party poppers, which I think will be really fun for the kids to play with, so we have them. So these next few pieces are things that I just got off eBay and on Amazon, places like that weren't a specific store. So I got a party hat set, and what I loved about these party hats is they have pom-poms on the top, so you do have to make them up, so they are a little more time consuming than just buying them ready-made, but I loved them and I don't mind making them up a couple of days before. And you get a pack of 9 and 2 crowns, so 11 headpieces all together, and I've seen these at around £10 to £15, but I got them on eBay for £2.99 including shipping, so really happy to have that. I'll link the seller down below. And then the final thing I got from Amazon was this icing set. So this is basically just a more traditional icing set, but it comes with like 100 bags and about 10 to 15 different nozzles, so really fantastic price considering the fact that I only paid £5 or £6 for this, so really happy to have that. And I just think it'd be really handy so I'm not washing the bag out constantly when I'm making the cupcakes and the cake, so I have that. And then last but by no means least, I have some things from Party Pieces. Now Party Pieces are actually owned by the Middletons, which is the Duchess of Cambridge or Kate Middleton's parents. So I've never ordered from there before, but I was super excited, and their stuff is absolutely delightful. So I'm going to wade through them. This is not as affordable as some of the other stuff, but I just loved it, and I wanted to get some things that were slightly more special. But I've just noticed that there's something here from eBay on the top, so I'll quickly mention those, and it's some cupcake sprinkles. Now these are actually edible cupcake sprinkles in a star design. Absolutely gorgeous, nice and multicoloured. So I'm going to do a white buttercream and sprinkle these on top of the cupcakes, and I just think they look wonderful. I actually have some unicorn ones on the way as well, but they've not arrived yet. So the first thing I have from Party Pieces is these latex balloons that look like condoms. Bit weird, but yeah, these are just latex, and the reason that I got these clear is I want to fill them with confetti. Now I've seen the ones in the pound shop, but I've seen people haul them, but I've never found them in my local pound shop. So I thought I would buy these, and I would fill them with these party confetti pieces that are beautiful shades of pink, absolutely gorgeous. I don't remember how much things were, I'll link it all down below, but I know this whole box was about £50 including shipping, but I paid £7 for the shipping because I wanted it next day. These little confetti pieces I'm going to sprinkle in the balloon. Followed by these Merry Merry napkins. Now I've heard of Merry Merry party supplies before, and they're so hard to get hold of, and they're quite pricey as well. But when I saw these on Party Pieces, I had to have them, and they're like an off-white, but they have iridescent circles or polka dots that shine like pearls. They're beautiful. I have to have them. They're stunning. So we have those. And then to keep in with the iridescent theme, we also have these beautiful cups, which are quite difficult to show you in this light because it's natural lighting, but I will show you these up close. But they have pearlescent sheen to them, and they are beautiful. So we have those. Followed with some cake candles. These are just a pink glittery party candle. And then this is something I'm really excited about. It's a star garland, and I love this because it's basically the golden stars that hang down vertically, and I'm going to hang them all around the table, and it's just going to look beautiful. So I can't wait to have that. They were about £6 or £7. I do remember those being a little bit pricey, but I really do love them. Then for the swag bags, I picked up these again from Merry Merry, and these are beautiful bags. They were expensive. They were about £9 for 8 bags, which I know is quite pricey, but I absolutely loved them. And it's these paper or cardboard bags, and you have the cardboard candy cane string, and I'm just going to fill these with treats for the kids to take home, and they're just delightful. So I really loved them. Really nice and colourful, great for unisex. Are great for boys and girls. They're unisex, so you can use them for whatever, but I really did like those. Then I wanted to get some table scattering, so I got these little confetti hearts. Actually, they're not hearts, they're stars. But yeah, these are beautiful, just multicoloured scattering for the table. And then finally, the last thing I have from Party Pieces, and probably one of my most favourite things that I picked up, is this really beautiful tassel garland. So I'm going to hang this from the table or just above the table. I'm not quite sure yet on how I'm going to figure it all out. But this is just a tassel kit. This was about £8 or £9, so quite pricey, but the effect that this is meant to give is beautiful, and I've seen pictures online and it looks stunning, so can't wait. It's just different shades of pink, and I just think it's going to be beautiful, so I had to have one of those as well. So that's my massive haul of everything that we have bought for Layla's birthday party. I'm so excited. I can't wait to put some of this stuff into action and see it all come to life. I'm really excited about it. And yeah, a lot of money has been spent at Party Pieces, but the rest of it was really affordable and really accessible for everybody. I'm going to try and link everything down below in case you're shopping for a special party, so you can go and check out some of these items. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe if you're new, and comment down below. Let me know what you think of this stuff, or anything you want to write. I love to hear from you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!